In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys a natural homemade DIY Botox treatment, which is definitely gonna work wonders on your skin. For people who are fighting against aging skin, who want to prevent signs of aging, get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, who wanna get rid of pimple marks, and who want to get rid of suntan and all the other sun damages that we get from going outside. This is totally natural, very easy to make. The ingredients are easily available at home. Hello and welcome. My name is Sridipta Nag, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys a homemade DIY banana face pack. You heard that right. Bananas are in some books referred to as nature's Botox. In ancient India, people used bananas in their face packs so that they could prevent signs of aging, and since anti-aging treatments like needle procedures and plastic surgeries were not that prevalent, or at least preferred in ancient India, people used bananas in their face packs from quite young ages so that they could prevent the signs of aging even before they appeared. So for this treatment, we need one banana, some turmeric or haldi, 1 tablespoon of sour curd, dahi or yogurt, whatever you may call it, and some lemon juice. I have taken the juice of half a lemon. You can take less if you want to. First, we need to peel the banana and then we need to mash it. I've taken the mashed banana in a bowl. To that, I'm gonna add some turmeric, not much, otherwise it will leave a yellow cast on your face and that's not gonna look good. With this, I'm gonna add the curd or dahi, as you may say. I've taken 1 tablespoon of dahi and the lemon juice. I'll mix it all up into a smooth lump-free paste. Bananas have lots and lots of potassium, B vitamins, vitamin A, zinc, vitamin C, vitamin E, lectin, and amino. The potassium present in banana hydrates and moisturizes dehydrated skin. B vitamins protects against free radicals that causes oxidative stress and premature aging. Vitamin A heals dry, withered skin, fades acne scars and dark spots. Zinc fights acne-causing germs. Vitamin C is very necessary for the production of collagen and it fights off free radicals. It also helps with skin oil control. Vitamin E protects skin from UV damage, slows down the process of aging, fights free radical damage, and helps in cell renewal. Lectin destroys bacteria that causes acne and pimples. Amino acids nourishes skin, strengthens connective tissues, and help maintain skin elasticity. Bananas. I have got my ingredients mixed in a smooth lump-free paste, and now it's ready for application. We can apply it on our face, neck, and even on parts of our body that we want to. Well, I'm gonna apply this on my face and neck because our neck area also gets damaged, and signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines appear on our neck also. We should take very good care of that area as well. If you want, you can also add honey to this, but since I have very sensitive skin, I don't always use honey, but it's very good. Honey is very good as a moisturizer, but my skin is very oily, so, and it's summer right now, I'm gonna skip that step. Time for application. I'm not gonna apply it on my face in front of the camera because I'm gonna look very strange that way. I'm gonna show you guys everything by applying it on my hand. In case you are short on time, then you can obviously blend all these in a mixer grinder as well. That is also a very good option. And if you want to make the consistency a little more runnier, like liquidy, then you can add milk to it. That also works really well. Some people I've heard use rose water. I haven't used that, so I cannot tell you how the result is gonna be. You can do this treatment when you're on vacation as well, because the ingredients that you will be using are very easily available at hotels also. Here I have applied it and I'll leave it. I'm done with applying it, and now I'll be leaving it on my skin as long as it doesn't dry up. Now it should not be very dry because that's not good for your skin, but leave it on for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off with water. So see you guys after 20 minutes. Back after 25 minutes. I had said I'll be keeping it on for 20 minutes, but it was very wet till then, so I waited 5 minutes more, and now I'm taking it off. I had already said that I won't be drying it too much on my skin because that's not good for your skin. You should never keep any face pack, any kind of pack on your skin for too long. And this is my hand. Here is a side-by-side comparison of both my hands. On my left hand I had applied the face pack, and on my right I didn't. I hope you can see the difference that this pack brought on the first use only. So I hope it's clear that if you use this on regular intervals, like 3 times a week or maybe once a week, or if possible every day, then it will definitely bring huge difference. Here is a side-by-side comparison of both my hands, which were similar in color 30 minutes earlier, but now this hand is at least 2 shades lighter compared to this hand. I'm not saying that light is in, but skin tanning is not a good thing. This hand, the one I had applied the pack on, is at least, I guess, 2 shades lighter. And you have to remember that since this is a very natural process, the result won't be very abrupt like chemical procedures, but this is a very safe procedure and good for any kind of skin. If you want results like this, then do give this face pack a try, and if you try it, you like the result, which I'm quite sure you will definitely, then do write in the comment section below how your experience was using this face pack, and if you add anything new, anything other than all the things that I had added, then do also mention that. Share this video with everyone you know, because we all are aging and we all need to fight against suntan and sun damages. This face pack is safe for any skin type, oily, dry or normal, which is very rare I guess, but anyway. So if you like my video, then hit the like button. Do consider subscribing if you want to see this face again, and if you like such contents, then do let me know in the comment section below. Do check out my other videos. I make vlogs as well. I have another channel named Madly Shridipta. There I make videos in Bengali. I hope you people will like that also. Do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Shridipta_Nag, SHRIDIPTA, Shridipta_NAG. That's my name. And see you all next time. Bye.